Welcome to another District 75 AI tutorial. Today you will learn how to make an interactive memory game using Canva's Code program. To log into Canva, first I will start by searching for Canva in Google. From here I'll click into the website. Canva is approved by New York City Public Schools. So from here you'll log in or check that you are logged into your New York City Schools account. From here, you'll be able to access all the tools that Canva has to offer, but for this tutorial, I'll be focusing on the Canva AI feature, which can be found on the right-hand side. Here, once you're in Canva AI, you want to make sure that you have the code button clicked at the bottom. Then you can add your prompt. When writing your prompt, you want to make sure it's as specific as possible for the activity or goal you're trying to meet. So here, my prompt: create a matching game similar to memory with turnaround facts with sums up to 15. It should be a 5x5 square with animations for correct and incorrect answers. From there, I'll click the purple arrow and Canva will begin to generate my game using its coding feature here. So here it begins to code all of my game. Here you can see that my code is now finished and it displays the game that it has generated. So the first thing I notice here is that it's not practicing the strategy that I wanted. It is just matching the sums. So here I will change, request a change for the game, being very specific in this next prompt. Instead of matching the addition with the sum, the match should be a turnaround fact. For example, 2 plus 3 matches with a turnaround fact 3 plus 2. Again, this can be done for any skill. This is just something that I would want, something that I'm working on with my students that I think would be a fun review game here, is finding the memory matches for these turnaround facts. So here, it will begin to change the game as you've given it that additional prompt. Here you can see after that additional information was provided, I was provided with the second version or the second iteration based on my feedback, and now it looks like it is all addition facts. And there we go, we found 6 plus 6. The add-ins are the same, but that is still, a turnaround fact as the correct match. As you can see here, it only took me 2 different prompts to get the version I'm satisfied with. But obviously, I suggest you to stop, pause here, and begin to work through Canva, generating prompts to create a memory game to your standards, to your liking for your instruction. Once you are ready to use this and save this, you can click Use and Design in the top right-hand corner. I suggest either saving it as a presentation or whiteboard here that will have the best way for you to interact, share this with your students. So in the top right corner, click Use and Design, again, either whiteboard or presentation. So I clicked whiteboard, mine opened up in a new screen. I put it in present mode, and here just checking that it is still usable as it was when I was in the coding feature, but now that I have it saved to my Canva account, just making sure that all of the features, the accessibility is still there. There we go, we have another match there. Again, just to reiterate, to be most successful in the interactive elements when using this, make sure that your whiteboard, your presentation is in present mode. That makes the interactive game features work. And when you're ready to share this with your students or with colleagues, you'll click the share button in the top right-hand corner. I would suggest, changing the access level to anyone with the link, and then sharing this with colleagues or students using the copy link and sharing that feature. You can also download it, present it just on your smartboard or through Google Classroom. It's important to note that as you begin to explore these tools and implement them in your instruction, that you are continuously reviewing the outputs and making adjustments to best meet your learners' needs and maintain integrity in your instruction. Use AI responsibly and consider the environmental impact. For more information or to provide feedback, please visit www.d75stem.com/AI. Thanks for watching.